Hi, today we'd like to show you booking workflow when packages are used in SimplyBook system. We'll start with Instagram page, just assuming this is how you might want to promote your packages or memberships, just as a fast way for your clients to find your offers. So of course, when it comes to Instagram, of course you can add a link tree to your profile, right? With everything that you offer. But what I will show you in this video today is how you can use story highlights to just have your offers all the time in on your profile that are easy to access. So go under our bundles story, and this is where I placed a link to my packages. And what you see here when it's highlighting this option is just because I have a free account with Linktree, it works this way. If you decide to go for a paid plan later, your clients will be directly taken to the website. So I'll click on bundles. Okay, so this is where we end up. You can see this better for web app. For now, I will hide it, and a bit later in this video, I will tell you about this feature. So I want to purchase a package for 4 sessions, so I go ahead to checkout and try to purchase it. Your client will be asked to sign up because packages are linked to emails. Because I've booked on this page before, and just for the sake of testing, I will quickly log in. Okay, so this is what your client will see, all of the payment providers that you might have connected. I have a saved card here with Stripe just because, as I mentioned, I've been on this page before and I agreed to have my card saved. So I'll proceed with that. Okay, let's just allow it a moment to process transaction. Okay, here we go. So it's now paid and my package is now active and I just received an email confirmation. Okay, so what I want, so this is an invoice email attached as well. And so now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and use this package when booking, right? So your client can either just find your website link here, or if you look at this book now button, this is our integration with Facebook and Instagram. This button will take your clients to your booking page to book. For now, I want to take you to the browser instead, just because I want to show you the client app later. It's going to be possible to download it from there. So we'll go to the browser, and so this is your booking page that you're getting with your account. Okay, so we'll go to the beginning, accept cookies really quickly, and I will again close this web app banner for now. So your client can click on the menu and see everything that you're offering. They could also purchase packages, of course, from here. So I'll just go ahead and book. I want to book a golf session, which is usually $2. Okay, and I want to book it for Friday, 11 o'clock. Okay, I need to log in again just because I'm doing it in browser, but actually later when you will when your client would download your client app, they could log in and just stay signed in. 1 second. Okay, so now what you're seeing is an intake form feature with SimplyBook, where you can create custom questionnaire when clients are booking. And so here I see that package credits can be used in the next step if they're available. I know that I already have a package and I know that I will not pay for this session. So just go ahead and confirm. Okay, so system right away is showing me all packages that I've got at this point. I've tested a lot. This is why I have 4. And these are details of my package. So I will select it. Okay, and now once this is selected, I can just proceed. The price is now 0. Also, you can see that there is an ability to enter a promo code. If you're doing some kind of campaigns and you're sending coupons to clients, this is where they could enter it. Okay, so click confirm. All right, so now I have booked. This is a notification for me as the owner of the business about a booking. So that's an email notification, right? And this is a notification for me as a client. Okay, so at this point, this is it. Just last thing I want to show on this website is, let me reload it. Okay, so the web app banner is back. What I want to show you just how how easy it is and quickly to add this app for your client to your home screen. So let's say they purchase the package, they book their first session through your website, but they don't want to have to save the link somewhere, but just to have it conveniently on their home screen. So we'll follow the instructions in the banner, and it says click on this icon right here, and then I'll just click on add to home screen. This is what I named my app. This is my logo that is custom. Okay. And now, when I open the app, I will just need to log in, and from here I can book, I can purchase packages, I can do a lot more. So this is how app looks. The last thing that I will show you in regards to packages is ability to deduct credits from client's package. If, let's say, they ask you to book for them. And let's imagine that on the booking page, you only allow people to book 1 month into the future, but this client really asks you to reserve a date that is a lot more ahead in the future. So this is our point of sale feature. I'm doing it in mobile browser. I'll go to select a client. This is a client I just booked with. Just got a package with. So I'll select a service I want to book. I have quite a lot. Okay. And I will pick July 1st. Okay. I'm skipping all of this now. Save. Okay, so I can see that there are 4 suitable packages for the service that this client has. So click on use packages. And so I see the upper package is exactly what I've just used before. So now I'm doing another booking. So just 2 credits are now available left. Okay. And then I click on shopping cart, checkout. That's it. I now have deducted a credit from client's package without him going to the booking page. Okay, thanks so much.